Hi interwebs, my name is Terry and welcome to my corner. Okay, so introductions. Terry is me. I am 29 years of age and I'm neurodivergent. I enjoy singing. I can't think of anything else. Okay, so that's me. And today my first post is going to be about journaling. Hopefully I made something happen over here. Okay, so my husband is one of my biggest advocates for mental health and wellness, and recently he's been encouraging me to journal more because it does help me feel better, and of course, as always, he was right. So I thought I might as well just share a video about how journaling really helps me. So here are 3 things that help me journal. So one is having a journal with prompts or having journal prompts. So I have issues starting things, as I believe many neurodivergent people do. So not having to think about what I'm going to write has been incredibly helpful. So one of my journals is this journal. Look at the colors. Okay, this is an ASMR. From Walmart, Wally World, however you want to call it. I think it was less than $10. And every day there is a different prompt. Like, it looks like this, just for aesthetic reasons. If you're one of those people like I am. And it has different prompts that help you get to know more about yourself. And honestly, that's very helpful because then I don't have to think about what I'm writing. But on the other hand, I also have a blank journal. It's just really cute. Looks like this inside before you write on it. And that way, I give myself flexibility. So sometimes there is something I want to write about. So I use the introspective journal when I need a prompt, and the regular journal when I want to just, I don't know, word vomit or something. And that way you can choose your own prompts as well. So number 1, get a journal with prompts and a blank journal. Yes, both. Number 2, don't make a strict journaling routine. Now, as someone who has AuDHD and autism, the one side needs structure and the other side needs freedom. So while I do have the goal to regularly journal, I don't put strict parameters on it. And this prevents the mentality of having to think I have to start over any day I don't write in my journal. So don't be too strict with yourself. Journal regularly. And regular depends on what is best for you. Regular could be every day. Regular could be every other day. Regular could be 5 days a week. Figure out your regular and try your best to stick to it. And number 3, I'm looking at notes. Expand the definition of what journaling is to you. That's a good one. Okay, Terry. So for me, I see a lot of videos on journaling, self-development, all those good things. And sometimes it's overwhelming because there are different definitions. So a broad definition that I have is writing or logging anything that's beneficial to me. That's it. That could be gratitude log, mood tracker, brain dump, a rant, like anything that benefits me in my life, no matter how long or how short. So those are my 3 things. Short video, but I thought it was really helpful because it took me a long time to figure out what I wanted to do with journaling. And I really appreciate the point about not having a black and white mentality, because I feel like a non-neurodivergent people, that's what we do. It's either we're doing it or we're not doing it. But you can still be successful and not do something every single day. So if this was helpful to you, leave a comment down below, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.